Hi there, welcome to Petoneer. I'm here to bring you the latest product, the Petoneer Play Ball. This is gonna be a quick unboxing and a quick check how it works. This is actually a very cute little box. So after unpacking the box, you will get a user manual and a pad ball and a power cable. So this is the full unit. Alright, now let's get started. So first you need to unscrew the bar cover. And you will see here is the sand chamber. It's very easy to open it, where you can put catnip to teach cats with red dot light. And here you can see the power button. This is extremely tiny size. Push it to power on. When the LED light is on, indicating that the power has been turned on, and then push it again, and the LED light flashes 3 times, which means the power has been turned off. Now, let's turn on the power first. Screw the pad bar cover and tighten it. Then start the pad ball by shaking it manually. There you go. Wow. After waking up, the ball works for 5 minutes and automatically sleeps after. So within 5 minutes, it keeps rolling for every 30 seconds and stopping for 6 seconds. Operation in circulation till it stops, just to, keep it attractive for your pet. But if you want to turn off a moving pad ball, but just simply swing up and down in the direction of the scent emitting horse. There you go. Well, the most interesting part is that the ball can be waked up by shaking in any direction. See? Alright, I have to stop it. Finally, when the battery is exhausted, you can unscrew the ball cover and plug the power cable to charge. So normally it takes around 30 minutes to be fully charged. That's all. Thank you for watching. Till the next one.